Today we're doing a 10-minute total body burner. Burn fat and tone muscle. So let's get started. Beginning with a good stretch side to side, warming up the body, working from head to toe. Our 640 muscles of the body will get moving. Yes! Burn some calories, feel good, boost that metabolism. That's what it's all about. Okay, let's twist it out for the waistline. Just twist. You got it. Feel it through the back. That's it. It's a great warm-up. Dynamic stretching. You can do it. We got two more. Really reach out. Smile. We're going to burn some fat today. Yes, we are. And twist it out for the waistline. I love this one. Just twist the body. Pull your belly button up and in. That's it. Zip up those abs and get moving. You can do it. That's it. Our whole body working. Firming, toning. Great, we got two more. Just twist it out. Last one. Okay, side to side now. Really reach from side to side. Really feel it. You're lengthening through the spine. Your spine is your lifeline. Keep it healthy. Keep it strong. Two more. Last one. Okay, and just hold it right here. Stretch out through the legs. We're gonna do a beautiful lunge. Take it down and back up. Now we're target toning the thighs and the buttocks, the lower half, to make it your better half. That's it. Doing lunges and squats help to burn extra calories. That's it. Now add a little bicep curl. 2 workouts in one. That's it. Double up. Bicep curl and legs. We got one more. Okay, now hold it there. Stretch forward. Feel the length through the spine. Bring your arms up and over. Lift, up, tall, lengthen, toning, lifting. Okay, to the other side. First of all, make sure your knees stay in 90-degree angles. Now we're gonna add a tricep toner for the back of the arms. That's it. Thinking about good posture. Down, press. You got it. Good. Double up that workout. Yes, making it very effective and efficient. Good, really feel the muscles. Last one. Great, now hold it right here. Stretch it up. Hold it, lengthen the spine. Beautiful stretch, hold it, hold it, hold it. Great, now inner thigh workout. Stretch your inner thighs and lengthen through the legs. That's it, no more jigglies in there. Good. Now toe comes up. Shift your weight a little deeper now. Sit back, that's it. Working through the booty. Good, can you feel your inner thighs? Excellent. 2 more, you can do it. Last one, now we hold, feel the stretch. Can you reach down towards the floor? Toe comes up so you really get that full stretch. Inner thighs, and to the other side, stretch it out. Hold it, beautiful. Take good deep breaths, that's it. Inhale and exhale. Okay, flatten your back, come all the way up. Let's do that again. Keep your back strong and straight. Tummy's in, hold fat, nice and flat back, good. And come back up. And jump your legs together. Inhale up and exhale. Hold right here. That's it, just sit back. Bring your knees together, bring your feet together. That's it, squeeze your inner thighs together. Great, sit way back there in chair. You got it. And release, one more. Sit way back. Feel the length through the spine. Stomach is in, back is strong and straight. Chest is up, beautiful. And come all the way up. Stretch your spine. Hold and breathe. Now we're gonna walk our hands all the way down to a plank position. Hold your plank. Make sure your back is strong and straight. Keep your stomach in. Tighten up your abs. Hold your arms strong. Shoulders are strong. Squeeze your buttocks. Tighten your thighs. And now bring one knee to the chest. And now the other knee. Bring it up. That's it. Pull your knees towards you. Great for your whole body, especially your abs. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, Now come all the way down to your elbows and forearms. Hold, hold, tighten up that tushy. Good, now a little knee kiss. This will work the lower tummy. Hold it there, squeeze. You got 2 more. Last one. Okay, knee comes down, stretch it up. Hold it up there, lift and lower the top leg. You got this. It's great for your outer thighs now. Trimming the waistline and your outer thighs at the same time. Beautiful. Leg lifts, come on. 2 more. Last one. Hold it up there. Beautiful. Now we're going to do side crunches. Pull your elbow towards your knee. This is one of my favorite exercises. You can do it. Pull your tummy in. Cinch in that waistline. Beautiful. Really feel it. Belly button towards your spine. That's how you do it correctly. That's it. Last one. And release. Just stretch it out. Elongate that spine. Great. Okay, let's switch sides. The other leg out to the side. Reach your hand down. Shoulder and hand in the same straight line. Are you ready? Leg lifts. Just slight leg lifts. Great for the outer thighs. No more saddlebags. That's right. Good. Always do the best you can. These exercises are very effective, very efficient, tried and true. We got 2 more. Last one. Great. Okay, let's do our side crunches. Pull in. Good. Really pull. Beautiful. You got it. Pull your elbow toward your leg. That's it. Great. Side crunches. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Now we stretch it. Elongate the spine. That's it. Beautiful. And come on down. Now, slowly roll down. Okay, relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Now lift your hips up. Squeeze and tighten up that tushy here. Look right from behind. Squeeze, that's it. Now, if you can, just lift one leg up. You got this. Great. Relax. Try the other leg. Lift your leg, lift your hips. You can do it. Come on, it's worth it. You'll look great. And come down. Now baby lifts. Pulses up. That's it. Lift and lower. We got 2 more of these. Last one, we hold. Now walk your feet together. So important, squeeze your inner thighs together. Squeeze that tushy, hold it in, and relax. Bring your knees to your chest, head up. Let me see your beautiful smiling face. That's it, great. And straighten out your legs. And switch. And switch. Beautiful. Stretch and tone. You got this. You're doing great. Great for the abs. This is a Pilates move. Really lengthens and strengthens your legs and works those abs. 2 more. Last one. Okay, relax. Now little baby lifts. Just lift it up. Little lifts. Don't use your neck to get up. Use your abs to get up. That's it. Good. Little lifts. Got it. 2 more. And release. Now just for the lower tummy. Relax your back. Hands right here on your sides of your waistline. You're going to bring your knees up and relax. This is now target toning below the belly button. So really initiate this movement right there. Or you can place your hands right here. Just relax your neck. Now can you do toe taps and lift and toe tap. Now toe taps. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. That's it. Just got a couple more of these. They work, I promise. Last one. Okay. And roll all the way up. Let me see your smiling face. Beautiful. Let's take a deep cleansing breath together. Bring in the oxygen and let out any stress. Beautiful. Stretch to the side and to the other side. Beautiful. Give yourself a big hand. You did it. Woo! Proud of you guys. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com. Sign up for your free trial now.